Welcome student, welcome to our session again. In this session, we are going to study about the relation between LCM and HCF of two numbers. Okay, now let's study about the relation. What is that relation? The relation between LCM and HCF and the numbers is product of LCM and HCF of two numbers is equal to the product of the two numbers. Product of numbers. Let's prove this relation with the help of an example. So let's consider the example 20 and 45 to verify this result. Product of LCM into HCF is equal to product of their numbers. So let's study about 20 and 45. Firstly, we find prime factors of 20 and 45. So what are the prime factors of 20? Here prime factors of 20 are, we know that 2 tens are 20s are there. Then this 10 is divisible by 2. 2 5s are 10 is there. And 5 1s are 5 is there. And the prime factors of 45 are, we know that 5 9s are 45 is there. This 9 is divisible by 3. So 3 3s are 9 is there. And 3 1s are 3 is there. Now what are the common factors of 20 and 45? Common factors of 20 and 45. They are equal to 5. Therefore, HCF of 20 and 45. We know that highest common factor is 5. So, HCF is equal to 5. And let's find its LCM now. Now, to find the LCM, we will multiply the common and uncommon factor. So, here 5 is only a common factor, and now let's multiply it with by the uncommon factor. This 2 is uncommon. This 5 is common in both. So, we have written it once. Okay. So, HCF is that only, the common factor among these two. Now, to find the LCM, we have to multiply to the common factor with the uncommon factor. This 2 occurs 2 times, 3 occurs 2 times. So, multiply to this. What you will get? 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20, 23s are 60 and 63s are 180. So, its LCM is equal to 180. Now, let's find the product of LCM and HCF. LCM multiply by HCF. As we know that 180 is a LCM and 5 is a HCF. What is their product? 180 multiplied by 5 is nothing but equal to 900. Got it? Now, let's find the product of numbers. What two numbers we have? 20 and 45. So, if you multiply to 20 by 45 or 45 by 20, you will get the answer 900. You can check it by using the multiplication. Okay, so 20 into 45 is equal to 900. So, if you observe, you will see that product of LCM and HCF is equal to the product of numbers. Hence, the result verified. Hence, the result verified. In this way, you can find out the product of numbers by using LCM and HCF. You can find out the LCM only if the numbers and HCF is given. You can find out HCF if LCM and product of numbers is given. So, you can use this formula for calculating many types of word problems. Let's study about that word problems in our further questions. So, from this result, LCM into HCF is equal to product of numbers. We will get two more formulas for LCM and HCF. LCM is equal to product of numbers divided by HCF. Means to find the LCM, you can use this formula also. Find the product of the number and it's divided to by its HCF. And to find the HCF, you can use this formula. Product of numbers divided by LCM. Least common multiple से divide करो, you will get the HCF. Okay. Let's solve an example. In the example, you have given that two numbers 36 and 45 have LCM is equal to 108. Sorry, LCM is equal to 180 and you have to find its HCF. See here, the two numbers are given 36 and 45. Also its LCM is given 180. Okay, let's write with the solution. Here, two numbers. What are the two numbers? 36 and 45. Then LCM is equal to 180. Okay. So what we have to do simply to find HCF by using this. LCM is given. You have to find the product of numbers. Means we have to multiply to 36 by 45. Let's multiply to this. So 36, we will write the formula first. So HCF is equal to product of numbers divided by LCM. Now substitute the values over here. 36 into 45 upon 180. So rather than doing the multiplication and then dividing it, we can do it simultaneously. See here, both are divisible by 5. 5 9s are or 9 5s are 45. 9 5s are 45 and 9 2s are 80. So 20 will become 29s are 80 and 9 5s are 45. So here this again divisible by 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 4s are 20. And this 36 is divisible by 4. 36 is divisible by 4. You will get the answer 9. So HCF of 36 and 45 is equal to 9. Do you understand how I have calculated? Just I have divided to 180 by 45. I got 4. 4s are 180 and to the 36 I have divided by 4. I got the answer 9. 4 9s are 36 are there. So I got the answer 9. So 9 is the HCF of the given number 36 and 45. So student, this is your question number 5. Product of two numbers is 432. If 6 is their HCF, find their LCM. Now product is already given. There is no need to find the product. Also HCF is given and you have to find the LCM. Now you know all how to find the LCM if the product of number and HCF is given. Just use the formula LCM is equal to product of numbers divided by HCF. Okay, so here product of numbers is equal to 432. Okay, and its HCF is equal to 6. So LCM is equal to 432 divided by 6. Firstly, you need to write the formula over here. Product of numbers divided by HCF. So write down 432 divided by 6. What is the division? Okay, you can solve it like this. Okay, 4 6 are 6 is there. 6 7s are 42. Remainder 1 is there. 2 taken downward. 6 2s are 12. That is 0 0. So their LCM is equal to 72. In this way, you can find the LCM or HCF in simple 3 steps. Just prepare this result and you can find out any of the LCM, HCF and one of the number you can find out also. Okay, one of the missing number. So students, this was your question number 5. Let's go towards this question 6. Students, let's go toward the question number 6. Find the LCM and HCF of the numbers 56 and 36 and verify that product of numbers is equal to product of their LCM and HCF. So the numbers given to you are 56 and 36. So what is the first step to solve this question? You have to find the common factors of prime factors of 36 and 56. Okay, so let's go towards the prime factorization method. What are the prime factors of 56? We know that this 56 is divisible by 2. Okay, 56 divisible by 2, you will get here 28 2s are 56. This 28 is divisible by 2. 2 14s are 28. 14 is divisible by 2. 2 7s are 14. 7 is divisible by 7 only. So 7 ones are 7. Now let's factorize to 36. 36 divisible by 2. 2 18s are 36. 18 divisible by 2. 2 9s are 18. 9 divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9. And 3 1s are 3. So what are the common factors over here? This 2 is common. This 2 is common. So their LCM is equal to 4. Their LCM is equal to 4. Okay, 2 2s are, sorry. So what is 2 is common here? 2 is common over here. And so the common factor, HCF means the product of their common factors. So 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4. So 4 is the HCF of 56 and 36. Let's find its LCM. LCM means what? LCM means the product of common and uncommon factors. So this 2 and these 2's are common. Okay, and these are the uncommon factors. So product of 2 into 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 7 multiply by 3 multiply by 3. So the LCM is equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 7s are 56, 56 3s are 168, 168 3s are 504. So 504 is the LCM of 56 and 36. Okay, now let's find the product of the given number, that is 56 and 36. So product of 56 and 36 is equal to 56 and 36 is equal to 56 multiplied by 36. What is the multiplication? You have to perform the steps of multiplication over here. So the product of 56 and 36 is equal to 2016. 2016. Okay, now let's check the multiplication of LCM and HCF. Okay, that is product of LCM into HCF. So it is equal to 504 multiplied by 4. So if you carry out this multiplication, 4 4s are 16, 6 carry 1, 5 zeros are 0, carry 0 plus 1 1, 5 4s are 20, 2016. So if you observe, then product of 56 and 36 is equal to product of their LCM and HCF. Hence the result verified. So here we will write, so therefore product of 56 and 36 is equal to product of their LCM and HCF is verified. This result is verified. In this way, you have to verify the given numbers is their LCM, HCF and their products is equal to the product of their numbers. Okay, students. Now, just before we have proved that the product of two number is equal to product of their LCM and HCF. This is true for only two numbers. But if you do for the three numbers, means the product of three numbers and product of their LCM and HCF, it will not be equal. Just verify it through this example. Let's solve it. 24, 36 and 48. Let's find the prime factors of 24, 36 and 48. What are the prime factors of 24? 2 12s are 24, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3. You can check 2 12s are 24, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3. Then 36 has a factorization, 2 18s are 36, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. And the last one, 48 has a prime factorization, 2 24s are, further factorization will be like this, 2 12s are, 2 6s are, 2 3s are and 3 1s are, 2 2s are, 2 24s are 48, 48, 2 12s are 24, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. Now the factors of 24 are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. And factors of 36 are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Factors of 48 are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. Okay, now what are the common factors over here? If you observe, this 2 is common, again the 2 is common and 1 3 is common. So therefore HCF of 24, 36 and 48 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. That is 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Now let's find their LCM. So LCM of 24, 36 and 48 is equal to. To find the LCM, we have to take common factors from all the three, then common factors from group of 2 and then the uncommon factors. So the common factors from all the three are this 2, 2 and 3. 2, 2 and 3. Now common factors from 2. There is no common factor in this 2. There are no common factors in this 36 and 48. 24 and 48 have 1, 2 common. So write it. Now the uncommon factors. This 3 is remain and this 2 is remain. So write them. So their multiplication 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 3s are 24 2s are 48 and 48 3s are 144. So 144 is the LCM of 24, 36 and 48. Now let's find the product of three numbers. Product of 24, 36 and 48. Here you have to do the multiplication. Multiply to 24 and 36 and multiply the result by 48. You will get the result obviously greater than the product of 12 and 144. So the result is equal to 41,472. Okay, 41,472 is the product of 24, 36 and 48. You can check it by the multiplication. Now let's find the product of LCM and HCF. So the product of LCM and HCF is equal to 144 multiplied by 12. And if you multiply to 144 by 12, you will get the result
1728.
So here you are observing that product of 24, 36 and 48 is not equal to the product of their LCM and HCF. Hence the result is verified that the product of three numbers is not equal to the product of their LCM and HCF. So the verification, the formula that product of two number is equal to the product of their LCM and HCF is only true for two numbers. Product of two numbers, LCM of two number, HCF of two numbers we have to find. It is not true for the three numbers. Okay. So in our next question, we have to find the LCM of three numbers. So students, let's go towards the 8th question. Here you have to find the LCM of each of the following given question. So the first three numbers given to you are 5, 10 and 15. 5, 10 and 15. Now the easiest way to find the LCM of three numbers, that factorize to the three numbers at a time. Okay, means there is no need to find common and uncommon factors. What you have to do, you have to draw like this. Write all the three numbers over here and divide to it them by the same numbers if possible. Now here each of this number is divisible by 5. 5 is divisible by 5. 10 is divisible by 5 and 15 is also divisible by 5. So 5 1s are 5. Here the division of 5 finished. 5 2s are 10 and 5 3s are 15. Now see here 2 appear and here 3 appear. Now these 2 and 3 are totally different. They have no common factor, prime factor. So divide to 2 first and write the 3 as it is. Write this one as it is. You will get 2 1s are 2. Okay. Now divide to this 3. 3 1s are 3. Okay, so the division completed. And if you multiply to this three number, then there is no need to see whether they are common, uncommon or not. Just multiply to these three numbers, you will get the LCM. So therefore, LCM of 5, 10 and 15 is equal to 5 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. And it is equal to nothing but 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30. So 30 is the LCM of 5, 10 and 15. It is easy. Got it? Just simply you have to find like this. There is no need, no complications which are common, which are uncommon, then common from two, common from other two. Okay. Simply you will get all the result. Let's see one more example. In the second number you have given the number 6, 24 and 36. What you have to do? You have to write all the three numbers at a time. 6, 24, 36. Divide, each of this is divisible by the prime number 2. So divided by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 12s are 24 and 2 18s are 16. Sorry, 36. Then each of this is divisible by 3. So 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12 and 3 6s are 18. Now this 4 and 6 both are divisible by 2. Division of 6 is complete here over here. Now divide to both of this by 2. So what will you get? 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Again the same step appear here. So both are the different number. So first we will finish the division of 2. 2 1s are 2. It is finished. Now the 3's remain. So divide to 3. 3 1s are 3. All the divisions are finished. Now multiply to these prime numbers to get the LCM. So LCM of 6, 24 and 36 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3, and so here the product is equal to 72. 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24 and 24 3s are 72. So the LCM of 6, 24 and 36 is equal to 72. In this way you have to solve the further examples, that is find the LCM of 15, 45, 60, LCM of 16, 24 and 64. Okay, I think you have to solve these examples for your practice. Okay, I'll put this example also in the video in my next session.